Welcome to Accounting for Small Businesses. Today, I'm going to show you how to use this simple yet useful spreadsheet. This spreadsheet is to help you calculate and keep track of the time worked by your employees. As you can see, I have two spreadsheets here. One to calculate the time biweekly and another to calculate the time semi-monthly. Depending how you pay your employees is the timesheet that you're going to use. Let's start with the biweekly timesheet. And all you have to do is enter the beginning pay period. In this case, I'm going to use August 26, 2019, which was a Monday. And the spreadsheet will calculate those 10 days in the pay period. And all you have to do is enter the time worked by your employee, depending if they had sick time and vacation or just to arrive to the 8 hours. Now, if you are paying overtime or holiday or vacation time, you can do so here, depending what your employee used. But just for the overtime line, I have put this special format here in green, just to draw your attention to know that for this pay period you have overtime worked by your employee, and it works like a reminder that you're gonna pay it a time and a half. And you can do the same thing on the following week. And down here, the spreadsheet will calculate it for you for both weeks. It'll tell you how much time it was worked, regular hours, how many sick hours, and how many vacation hours. The date, all you have to do is change the first date, put August 29, 19, and the second date will follow. As for the semi-monthly spreadsheet, you can do the same thing. All you have to do is enter beginning date, and the spreadsheet will do the calculation for you. And that's it for today. If you like this video, please share a like. And if you would like to download this spreadsheet, you can just click on the link below and you can download the spreadsheet for your use. I hope you like this video and stay tuned for more spreadsheets. Thanks for watching.